All right, it's only been like a month, so hopefully I can remember how to put this back together, even though I don't even have it all the way apart. But I'm going to move some junk out of the way and put this thing over in the garage, since I've already got the garage heated up, and it'll take me half a day to get this thing warmed back up to where it's tolerable in here. So I'm going to get some stuff shuffled around, and we'll get this thing out of here. Well, fingers crossed the wind's not too bad and it won't blow that top off. I think I can reach up and grab it if it starts to. Ah! Okay. Well, and it still moves, so it's all good. Whoa. Stay on there. Okay, I may have to use this hand to hold the top. Okay, here's the string that they conveniently provide to pull that cable through. And I was just going to hook it right into the eyelet, but there's a little plastic sleeve on here that protects that from something, I don't know what, but I'm going to have to tie that back here in order to get that sleeve to pull through, because I'm afraid once it starts going through, it's just going to slide down and it'll stay in the bottom and I'll never get it out of there. So let's go up through here. Maybe? All right, let's try that. Okay. Okay, nope, we're gonna have to go through the eyelet still. All right. Through the eyelet, then back here. There. Okay, one more try. Ta-da. All right. That worked. there we are. Kind of a pain. And it's pretty tight right now, but I think it'll come out of it once it sits for, you know, a day or two, especially out in the sun. But it's on, it's complete. I haven't bolted the seats down yet because I remembered I got seat covers for it, because that driver's side one is in pretty bad shape. So I'm going to yank them back out. That might be a later on job, later on this evening or something. Oh, and then there's this piece that I can't for the life of me remember where it went. So somewhere in the car is a missing piece. So we'll leave it there for now. I'll have to pull the seats back out, and vacuum everything out, and clean it up a little bit. But that's 2 convertible tops this week, and there's a reason maybe you shouldn't do 2 in a row, because if you do 1 and then you wait, I don't know, a year or so, you forget just what a pain in the ass they are, and you're a little more enthusiastic about doing the next one. So I guess if I had anything to offer suggestion-wise, it'd be that. Maybe only 1 a year. But anyway, I guess that'll do it for right now. So guess until next time, thanks for watching, and guess we'll catch you later.